Begrawe vir my in die platte land. Gooi my kussie toe met bosveld sand, met geen lig wat skyn. Begrawe vir my in die platte land. Balsam vir my met oorlewelyn. Sit pennies op my oor vir tolgeld daarbo en los vir my. Daar deur in die platte land. Ga sê vir die angels, ga sê vir die angels, ga sê vir die angels, ek's op pad na bo. Ga sê vir die angels, ga sê vir die angels, ga sê vir die angels, ek's op pad na bo. As die Here my kom haal op 'n dag soos die, met 'n smaal op my gesig en die son op my rug, sal ek rustig slaap. Daar deur in die platte land.
If Tomorrow Starts Without Me, by David Romano. Possibly. When tomorrow starts without me, and I'm not there to see, if the sun should rise and find your eyes all filled with tears for me, I wish so much you wouldn't cry the way you did today, while thinking of the many things we didn't get to say. I know how much you love me, as much as I love you, and each time that you think of me, I know you'll miss me too. But when tomorrow starts without me, please try to understand that an angel came and called my name and took me by the hand and said my place was ready in heaven far above, and that I'd have to leave behind all those I dearly love. But as I turned to walk away, a tear fell from my eye. For all my life I'd always thought I didn't want to die. I had so much to live for, so much left yet to do. It seemed almost impossible that I was leaving you. I thought of all the yesterdays, the good ones and the bad. I thought of all the love we shared and all the fun we had. If I could relive yesterday, just even for a while.
Did I ever love you? Did I ever need you? Did I ever fight you? Did I ever want you? Did I ever leave you? Was I ever able? Or are we still leaning across the old table?
Did I ever love you? Did I ever need you? Did I ever fight you? Did I ever want you? Did I ever leave you? Was I ever able? Are we still leaning across the old table?
Was it ever settled? Was it ever over? And is it still raining back in November? The lemon trees blossom, the almond trees.
Didn't know today would be our last, or that I'd have to say goodbye to you so fast. I'm so numb I can't feel anymore. I'm praying you just walk back through that door and tell me that I was only dreaming. You're not really gone as long as I believe. There will be another angel around the throne tonight. Your love lives on inside of me, and I will hold on tight. It's not my place to question, only God knows why. I'm just jealous of the angels around the throne tonight.
Praat ek mense hele tale, maar dis nie uit liefde nie. Is my woorde al symbole, klanke sonder melodie. Al kan ek geheime uitlê, herde deur geloof versit. Of al het ek al die kennis sonder liefde is ek niks.
Sonder liefde sal my gawes, al my ywer my nie baat. Net die liefde onbaatsigtig my oorwin met goed die kwaad. Onreg kan dit nie verdra nie, dit is met die waarheid bly. Deur vergifnis op my sonde uit liefde vergeef. Ek was verlore, maar is gevind. Nou het ek vrede, ek is Gods kind. Hy is my leidsman, hy laat my leef. Hy is oorwinnaar, hy is die Heer. Uit sy genade, liefde en trouw, weet ons hoe word sy kinders behou.
Lig is sy las en sag is sy juk. Hy gee vermoeides die ware geluk. Selfs as ek struikel en dit berou, hy sal vergewe, hy bly